Mercedes, what is it?
C230 Sport.
C230 Sports. Okay, what year is this?
2007.
2007. Excellent.
This
Connect it to the
power source.
Right, exactly.
And then this is an option, right?
Right, that's in the aux. You don't need that.
Yeah. But it's just an option, right?
Right.
Okay.
Well, actually, you plug it in, then you plug it in. It's easier that way.
I should have done that. All right.
Okay.
And then
Wait, it's not lit. Is it?
The light was on. But
Was it?
it should be on.
Yeah, it should be blue.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it.
Yeah, it is. Okay.
I have another one back here.
Okay. You may want to use the back one, and also you may want to install what do you call those camera thing over here? You definitely need to get one of those in
The
case.
backup cameras?
No, the one that
the dash cams?
The dash cam, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't wait until it's too late. Does the blue light comes on? Is it lit?
Like it turns on when I put it in right here. See, it's on.
Okay, there you go. Okay, now you plug it in.
It just doesn't look like it's on because of the daylight.
Okay. Well, I mean, if we look at it, okay, there it's on. It's on right now.
It's on,
right.
yeah.
Okay, so 87.9 and go to 87.9. Okay, now go to your phone and look for Bluetooth, and it should be HY62 that you'll see. Scroll down.
HY62.
Right, exactly. Click that one. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, now crank it up. Play your music and crank it up. I mean, 80% on your phone, and you can use this for your main volume.
So
right?
what? 80% like this?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And now over here, you can turn the dial. Turn the dial. You can see that. Turn the dial. It's rotate.
Oh,
so on 30, that's the maximum. Okay, so we're good. So play any music on your car from your phone.
Sounds nice.
Now drive around, because that's when it makes the big difference. Let's stitch your frame and drive around. Because for this, most of transmitter you get from Amazon or eBay, once you start driving, you'll notice the noise and everything. So this one, then you're fine. So just Mercedes, what is it?
C230 Sport.
C230 Sports. Okay, what year is this?
2007.
2007. Excellent. Thank you, guys.
You too, man.
See you later.
The Gizmo Gadget.
Exactly.
Get it.
Try carefully.
All right, man.
Bye.